So, good day class. So, today we will tackle a new topic which we will know later. But first, we must have our review to test kung unsa jud ang inyong nahibalaan last topic na to. So, I have prepared 4 questions about our previous topic. So, number 1. You can raise your hand if you know the answer. So, number 1, it is the graphical representation of categorical data. So, unsa man ni? Unsa? So, very good. It is a bar graph. Second, it is a graphical display of information that changes continuously over time. So, unsa man ni? Very good. It is a bar graph. Line graph rather. So, very good. It is a line graph. Third, it is a graph that plots cumulative frequency on the y-axis and class boundaries along the x-axis. So, unsa man ni siya katong cumulative frequency? So, very good. It is an ogive. Last, it is a bar graph. It is a bar graph that uses rectangles of different heights to show how often the different values of the variable in statistics occur. So, unsa man ni siya? So, very good. It is a histogram. So, nadyo day minatun-an sa atong previous topic. So, now, let's proceed to our next topic. But before that, we will have our motivational activity. So, I want you all to count from 1 to 2. Start here. 1. So, our last number is 2. So, here, the direction of our first activity or the motivational activity. Direction. Write the letters on the underline corresponds each number in the alphabet. 2 minutes to complete the game by group. So, ang group 1 diri then ang group 2 diri So, very good. So, as we all know, na sa alphabet na sila corresponds number and dahil diri So, 6. What alphabet that 6 corresponds? So, A, B, C, D, E, F. So, F siya. So, F na siya diri So, nana mo isa ka clue. F ni diri So, your 2 minutes starts na. Okay, time's up. So, now, hibalaan na to kung sa ang answer ani nga mga numbers. So, sa alphabet, kung sa ang letter nga nag-correspond sa 13. So, M. How about sa 5? Okay, very good. E. So, 1. Wala man lain. So, A. So, 19. Oh, very good. S. Nanaboy na unaan kung unsang atong first word? Okay, measures. Diri sa 15. Oh. So, anyone nga maka-direct og answer kung unsa ang atong ginapangita nga word? Group 2. Diri ang part. So, central. So, sa last word, group 1. Okay, tendency. Very good. So, our new topic for today is the measures of central tendency. So, next, we will have an activity. We will have our activity. So, our activity is data relay. So, instruction. The class will be divided into 4 groups. each group should give or must provide 9 numbers to the next group. Example, ang group 1 maghatag og 9 numbers sa group 2, then ang group 2 maghatag og 9 numbers sa group 3, then ang group 3 maghatag og 9 numbers sa group 4, then ang group 4 maghatag og 9 numbers sa group 1. So ana siya ha. So the groups must understand and analyze the given set of numbers and use this data to answer this following. So, una, we must identify the value that appears the most frequently. Second, we must find the middle value when all values are arranged in order. Then third, calculate the value of the data set. So, let's count 1 here. Okay, go. So, okay, the last number is 4. So, you have 5 minutes to answer this question and analyze your numbers. In a 1/2 sheet of paper. So, go. You can start answering now. So, the time is up. So, in our analysis, wait. So your answers are good, are correct. So now we will have our analysis. How do you find the activity? Group 2. Okay, very good. So, do you have the same average value on the data set? Group 3? On the other group? So no, you didn't have the same average number due to okay. Kaya di man mo kaparehas og numbers. So, okay, good, very good. How about group 4? How do you find or compute your average value? So, very good. Very good. And now, group 1, how do you find the middle value? Okay, very good. And now, I want you, group 4, to answer this one. Is it difficult to find the answer? Why? Okay, very good. So now, let's have our objectives. So for this topic, the measures of central tendency, at the end of this lesson, the students should be able to define mean, median, and mode, plot the mean, median, and mode of the statistical data, and develop confidence in their ability to interpret and analyze data. So let's have our topic for today. So now we will discuss about the measures of central tendency. So anyone who can read this? Okay, so measures of central tendency. For your, sa inyo dira para sa inyo, unsa ang measures of central tendency? Okay, so very good. So measures of central tendency, it is a single central value that summarizes a set of numerical data. So, ang measures of central tendency, kay mo na siya ang nag-summarize sa mga numerical data. So, sa atong measures of central tendency, adunay tulo ka mga common measures which are the mean, median, and mode. So, the three common measures of central tendency are the mean, median, and mode. So, unsa ni sila? So, ang mean. First, let's have the mean. So, unsa day ning mean? So, mean. It is, wait, para maklaro ninyo. It is the average value of the data set. It is the average value of the data set. It is the sum of all values divided by the total number of values. So, sa mean, naatay formula. So, the formula for our mean is x bar is equals to summation of x. Oh, wala tayo marker. Okay, panik. So, ang formula for our mean is x bar is equals to summation of x over n. Summation of x is the sum of all numbers nga gihatag sa imuha, or sum atong data when you add it all atong nga mga data. So, ang n is mao siya ang mga kung pila ka buok tanan number nga gihatag sa imuha. So, for example, let's have an example. So, the math scores of 10 students are 85, 80, 88, 84, 87, 89, 83, 80, 94, and 90. So, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, our formula is x bar is equals to summation of x over n. So, for summation of x, let's add it all. So, we have, so the total number is 860. So, now, we will divide it into the total number of values. So, the total number of these values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, it has 10 total number of values. So, 860 divided by 10 is equals to, so very good, it is 86. So, our mean for this data now is 86. So, do you get it? Okay, very good. Let's now proceed to our median. So, what is median? So, our median, it is the middle value. It is the middle value when a data set is ordered from least to greatest. It will be either a specific value or will fall between two values. So, to find the median, you must arrange first in ascending order or from least to greatest or vice versa. Then, look for the value or look for the middle value of the data set. So, let's have our examples. So, here, we will use the same example. So, here, we have 85, 80, 88, 84, 87, 89, 83, 80, 94, and 90. So, it says here, to find the median, we must arrange it first in ascending order or from least to greatest. So, from least to greatest, our very least number here is 80, 80, 83, 84, 85. Next for the 85 is we have 87, and then 88, and then 89, 90, and 94. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have here. So to find the median, we arrange it in ascending order and then look for the middle value of the data set. So unsa man ang middle value niya? 1. So ang middle value sa 10 is 5.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So nara silang duha ang middle value nila. So to get the median here, we must balik ta sa ato ang formula sa mean, which is summation of x over n. So here we will have 85 plus 87 over 2. So question, nganong 2 kay duha ra man sila. To find our median kay wala man siya, dili man siya buong cake. So ato siyang ibalik diri ang formula. So our answer is 172 over 2. Or divided by 2. So 172 divided by 2 is 86. So our median now is 86. So another example. We have 10, 15, 20, 10, and 25. So, to find the mean, what first should we do? What the first step should we do? So, arrange it in ascending order or from least to greatest. So, our very least number here is 10. And 15, 20, and 25. So, now we will find the middle value. So, the middle value here is 15. So, our median now is 15. So, gets nyo na? Okay, very good. So, here our mode. So, for our mode, it is the value that occurs often on the data set. So, ang mode, kay mo ni siya ang katong value nga makita nimo kapila, ikaduha, o ikatulo sa isa ka data. So, to find the mode of the data set, we are to consider the following. First, select the measure that appears most often. Pilion nato tong mga number nga nagbalik-balik or makita na to kasagaran. Then, if two or more measures appears the same number of times, then each of the value is mode. So, we have our example for the mode. So, gamitan sa nato ni nga example. So, we have the data 10, 15, 20, and 25. So, sa inyong napansin ani nga data, unsa ang number nga nagbalik-balik or nag-occur balik-balik? So, ang 10. So, ang atong mode ani nga data is 10. So, next example. The scores of 10 students in their pretest and post-test are 22, 23, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 23, 24, and 27. So, in this data, i-arrange na nato siya in ascending order. So, 20. Next to 20 is 22. Next is 23. 23. 23. Next is 24. 24. 25. And 27. So, sa atong data karon, unsa inyong napansin nga nagbalik-balik ng mga numbers? Okay, 23 and 24. Pero, sa kanina mga numbers, unsa jud ang atong mode? So, unsa ang number nga nagmas balik-balik siya? So, the number 23. So, our mode here is 23, not 24. Kay, ikaduha naman nagbalik-balik ang 24 kaysa sa 23. So, very good. Okay, now gets na? Okay, that's our topic for today. Any questions? So, recap. We will have the measures of central tendency, and it has three common measures, which are the median, mean, median, and mode. So, to get the mean, we have the formula of mean is equals to summation of x over n, which we will add all our data and divide it into the total number of values. And for the median, we must arrange it into ascending order or from least to greatest. And for our mode, we must find the data that appears the most often, or pangitaon na to ang number nga balik-balik siya kadaghan. So for this data, we will have our mean, median, and mode. And for this data, our mean is 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 10 plus 25 is equals to 10, 30, 45, 55, 80. And the total number of this data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 80 divided 5 is equals to how much? So we have 16, which is our mean for this data. And for our median, we arrange it into ascending order. So we have here. So our median here is 15, which is denoted for MD, for median. And for our mode, we have 10, which occurs 2 times for our mode. So, that is how you get the mean, median, and mode. And now, let's have our application. So, for our application, let's answer this one. In a 1/2 crosswise, answer this one. So, for this problem, you should find the answer of each problem. So, in 1/2 sheet of paper, crosswise, answer this one. Your timer starts now. So, time is up. Let's check your work. So, for the problem number 1, Kurt's grade for this quarter is as follows. What is the lowest possible grade he should get in mathematics for him to have an average score of 90? So, what's the possible number nga pwede niya makuha sa mathematics para maka-grade siya average score na 90? Anyone? So, K. Very good. So, para makagain siya of 90 nga average, he should have a score of 91. Very good. And for this problem, there are 3 basketball teams and each player has played 5 games. Their winning scores from each game are as follows. So for Team Eagle, for game 1, they have 67, for Archer, 85, and for Tiger, 82, and so on. So in this problem, we should find the mean, median, and mode of the 5 scores of each team. So the mean for the Eagle is, what is your answer? So very good. It is 79 because we add all the numbers of the Eagle or all their scores of 5 games, which is equivalent to 395, and we divide it into 5. So we get the mean of 79. As well as for the Team Archer and for Team Tiger. For Team Archer, they have score of a mean of 76 rather, and for the Team Tiger, they have the score of 8, the mean score of 80. And for mode, a median, we should arrange it in ascending order. So we have 64, 67, 78, 87, and 89. So their median is 78. And for the Archer, the median is 61, 63, 80, 85, 90. So their median is 80. And for the Tiger, Team Tiger is 62, 65, 82, 88, and 101. So our median here for the Team Tiger is 82. So for our modes, for Team Eagle, what is the mode of Team Eagle? Okay, it has no mode because, okay, very good. Kay walay nagbalik-balik na number. How about for Team Archer? Okay, wala pod. For Team Tiger kaya? Okay, very good. Wala sila mode kay walay nagbalik-balik nga numbers. Then, for B, suppose you want to join one of the teams. You want to join the one that is doing the best so far. For which team would you join and why? Okay, that's all for today, class. I hope you learned something. And for our assessment, let's answer this one. Okay, that's all for today, class. I hope you learned something and gained something for today's discussion. Okay, so requesting Mr. Ramil to lead the closing prayer.